Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing another Kaijudo Invasion Earth booster box. I got this from the same store as I got the first one. My buddy decided not to go get this, so today I decided I would go get it. So, when I was up there I also bought Queen Kalima. I think I spent like $27 on it. And this was the same as the last box, $43.59. So I was pretty happy with the amount I spent. It wasn't too bad. I want to go ahead and pull the box topper out. Not what I wanted. Galsaur. Protector, Double Breaker. Each enemy creature attacks this creature. Each enemy creature attacks creatures each turn, if they're able to. So, that's not too bad. It means they all have to attack. So, if you saw my last one, I needed another Bad Apple and 2 more General Charizards. That's what I would like to pull from this. Is 1 Bad Apple and 2 General Charizards. If I pull those, I will be extremely happy. I'm going to pull from the left side. There's no real reason I pull from the left. I just pull from that side. It's just something I prefer to do. Just no real explanation behind it. So, we have Bodyguard Vorg, Essence Shade, Hunter Sphere, Ion Cruiser, Boom Skull. Our 3-star is Looming Devour, so it's our rare for the pack. Wandering Brain Eater, Flame Fangs, Defiant Shaman. Okay, so let's get to the next pack. Put the code cards to the side. We have Aqua Trickster, Chimera Predator, Corporal Pepper, Choten Stalker Sphere, Broadsword Butterfly, our rares, Corvus Dragon. Oh, whoops, that goes over there. Fallen Keeper, Manic Mechanic, Veil Slip. And as you can tell, I also don't do the pack trick. I just don't see a point in that. I mean, you're going to be seeing all the cards I pull either way, so I mean, you can already see the foil. Oop. Let's just pull it anyways. Megaria the Deceiver. Do not have that one, so that's very nice. We have Skull King Cypress, Ricochet Shot, Cyber Trooper, Tainted Quartz, Mad Watcher. Our rare is Blitz Commander. Oops. We have Crystal Pulse and Beam Bloom. I didn't pull a Megaria in the last booster box, so this will make for my first. Let's get to the next pack. If you hear a noise, it's my chair. It acts awfully strange. Sometimes I have to mess with it. So we have Skyvault Mech, Dawnblaze Patrol, Sabotage Worm, Lava Tube Crawler, Stratus Beetle, Rare's Ravenous Webleg, Defiant Shaman, Graviton Generator, Armored Sentinel. Okay. Okay. Boom Skull, Ballistic Sky Terror, Ion Cruiser, Cackling Fiend, Bronze Arm Renegade, Drakon Upstart, Sunmote Field. I actually needed some more of those. Flame Fangs and Shadow Strike. I want to build a new light deck, and I don't want to put with light, but Sunmote Field is cards I need for that deck. Snake Trap, Hunter Sphere, Bodyguard Vorg, Essence Shade, Choten Stalker Sphere, King Barnacles are rare. Oh, a Tricky Turnip. Golly, I needed these. Oh, that's fantastic. Frantic Blast and Nurturing Hive. I forgot that Tricky Turnip was in this set. How did I forget that? I needed this card. Thank goodness. Because Tricky Turnip is expensive. Haven't really pulled what I wanted, but definitely pulling some nice stuff. Chimera Predator, Aqua Trickster, Broadsword Butterfly, Corporal Pepper, Boom Skull, Infernal Taskmaster for our rare, Manic Mechanic, Arc Ward, and Wandering Brain Eater. So let's get to the next one. Okay, Mad Watcher, Cackling Fiend, Bronze Arm Renegade, Emblazoned Giant, Choten Stalker Sphere, Morphing Pod, it's our rare, Crystal Pulse, Fallen Keeper, and Beam Bloom. We're getting close to the end of the left side. Skulking Cypress, Dracon Upstart, Sabotage Worm, Ion Cruiser, Ballistic Sky Terror, Victory Gunners are rare. Then we have a Seneschal, Choten's Lieutenant, Graviton Generator, and Shadow Strike. Very nice to get a Seneschal. I already have enough of him for my corrupted deck, unfortunately. And I got him pretty cheap as well. I got that card from Cool Stuff Inc. It's usually where I get most of my singles from. Stratus Beetle, Detain, Cyber Trooper, Ricochet Shot, Tainted Quartz, Reverberate is our rare, XT4 Brute Fist, Crash and Burn, Fate's Hand. Oh, 2 left for the left side. Left for the left. Engulf, Snake Trap, Bronze Arm Renegade, Skyvault Mech, Dawnblaze Patrol, Lava Tube Crawler, Aerial Bombardment is our rare, Panic Disorder, Guardian Rasaka. I had a feeling when I opened this box that the right side was going to be better. I wonder if that's true. I'm sure somebody's thinking, how can you have a feeling about that? Like, they're probably thinking, how do you know that? Like, how do you have that feeling? Sometimes my gut just tells me. So, Cultivate, Ballistic Sky Terror, Lamp Lighter, Cackling Fiend, Dracon Upstart, Telenar, the Stormer, Flamespine Ravager. I think I had one of these, or Ravager, excuse me. Frantic Blast and Sickly Larva. I think I pulled one of those out of the first box. I think it was on the, might have been on the left. No, it wasn't on the left. I think it was on the right side. Either way, let's just move on to the right side. Still no Bad Apple or Charzon. As soon as I say that, there's some kind of good foil look. Corporal Pepper, Blixit Sky Terror, Hunter Sphere, Lava Tube Crawler, Blazon Giant, Blast Forge Marauder, Napalmion the Conquering, I don't have that one, Graviton Generator, and Frantic Blast. But at least it's something I don't have. It's not what I was looking for, but it's something I do not have. And I'm sure it's something I can incorporate into a deck. Broadsword Butterfly, Bodyguard Vord, Choten Stalker Sphere, Chimera Predator, Bronze Arm Renegade, our rares Chief Toko, Flame Fangs, XT4 Brute Fist, and Beam Bloom. Oh, good grief. Fell right on the floor. Just love when booster packs just fall on the floor, and I dropped something else. Oh, okay. If you heard that, that was my, I left my belt on my chair and it fell. onto the floor. So we have Sabotage Worm, Detain, Boom Skull, Engulf, Mad Watcher, Sunwhip Sentry is our rare, Sickly Larva, Nurturing Hive, and Panic and Disorder. Good grief. Changing weather gets me. So. Oh, I think I saw what I saw. Oh, that's not what I thought it was, but I need that. So. Snake Trap, Skybolt Mech, Tainted Quartz, Lava Tube Crawler, Dawn Plays Patrol, Infernal Taskmaster, The Reviled. Did not have that. I actually was going to buy that. Armored Sentinel, and Fate's Hand. So that's pretty cool. That's a corrupted Evo. That's I'm trying to work on multiple decks, and I know I shouldn't do that, but I like corrupted creatures pretty well. I like the things that aren't really the norm for the sets. Have Engulf, Skulking Cypress, Emblazoned Giant, Stratus Beetle, Cyber Trooper. Have Tusk Shouter, it's our rare for the pack. Guardian Rusalka, Arc Ward, and Shadow Strike. Have Detain, Bodyguard Vork, Essence Shade, Cultivate, Lamplighter, Ricochet Shot. We have Volcano Dervish, that's our rare, Wandering Brain Eater, and Defiant Shaman. Starting to get low on packs now. Haven't pulled a single Bad Apple or Charizard. Oh, no. I'm starting to get worried. I'd like to at least pull Bad Apple. Aqua Trickster, Broadsword Butterfly, Corporal Pepper, Boom Skull, Hunter Sphere, Morphing Pod, another Galsaur, I kind of figured this would happen, Nurturing Hive, and Graviton Generator. I just had this feeling that I was going to pull another one. That's okay. I'm just glad I got this booster box for cheaper than what I've seen online, so I'm thankful for that. Have Mad Watcher, Cultivate, Emblazoned Giant, Lamplighter, Engulf, Victory Gunner, Crash and Burn. Whoop, it just crashed and burned right onto the table. I just Arc Ward and Sickly Larva. About just crushed the card trying to pick it up. It's okay. Let's see what we pull out of this. Detain, Aqua Trickster, Corporal Pepper, Broadsword Butterfly, Chimera Predator, Mark of Almighty Colossus is our rare, Panic and Disorder, XT4 Brutefist, and Guardian Rusalka. If you saw the first one, I did pull a Almighty Colossus, which I was relatively surprised. I really didn't think I was going to pull that. But it was nice. Dawn Blaze Patrol, Tainted Quartz, Cackling Fiend, Cyber Trooper, Ricochet Shot, Spinning Terror, Haven's Elite. This was the box topper to the first one. We have Fallen Keeper and Fate's Hand. It's kind of funny that I pulled the card that was the box topper for the first one. Oh, I got one more pack after this one I'm about to show. I don't think I even pulled the code card. I'm so nervous about it. Dracon Upstart, Essence Shade, Stratus Beetle, Ion Cruiser, Skulking Cypress, Emergency Protocol, Wandering Brain Eater, Manic Mechanic, Crystal Pulse. I got one more to go. And still pull that Bad Apple. Oh, come on. Let it be there. Aqua Trickster, Lamplighter, Sabotage Worm, Snake Trap, Skyvolt Mech, Cultivate, Reverberate, Crash and Burn, Bale Slip. God, Crash and Burn. It's what it feels like. I just crashed and burned because I didn't pull it. That's okay. That's alright. That just means I gotta try harder next time and try to pull a better box that has Bad Apple in it. So here's what I pulled. Haven's Elite, Galsaur, Reviled, Napalmion, the Conquering, Flamespine Ravager, Seneschal, Chone's Lieutenant, Tricky Turnip, Megaria the Deceiver, and the box topper for the box was Galsaur. So anyways guys, that's all for this box opening, and I'll see you in the next video.